Just over a week before school begins, Austin ISD leadership is still evaluating what COVID-19 protocols will be in place in light of a recent surge in hospitalizations in our area. Right now, school board members are meeting to talk about those protocols just hours after a Dallas school district announced mask requirements for them. For its students, KXAN's Avery Travis has been following tonight's meeting and has the very latest.
We're students. All we want to do is learn.
But after getting sick with COVID-19 earlier this year, this Austin ISD student says she's scared to go back to school, and even more so, scared for her little brother.
When I think about the things that I am the most terrified of, it is having to see my brother in the same pain that I was in.
We need your help to get to the finish line.
A fear echoed by more than 50 parents and staff who left messages for the school board asking them to defy an order by the governor and mandate masks on campuses. But KXAN talked to several families who say they also sent messages to the board asking them to abide by the governor's order that were not played at the meeting. The spokesperson of a group called AISD Kids First said, "We do not feel that forcing children to violate an executive order is inclusive or nurturing," telling the district to focus on education, not health care.
The infections that we find, the fatalities that we find could be occurring because when schools reopen, parents go and do more stuff outside of the home.
Aaron Yelowitz led a research team who looked closer at how Texas school reopenings last fall affected the spread of cases in surrounding communities. Their study estimates there could have been at least 43,000 fewer cases and possibly 800 fewer deaths had schools not gone back to in-person learning. And the researchers note that was when masks were still widely required. The City of Austin medical director pointed out a similar link to the school board, this time with mask compliance as a variable.
With high compliance, we see that we're not overwhelming our ICU capacities.
We just heard that vote from the school board about requiring masks for all visitors on AISD campuses just minutes ago. So we'll be updating you online on KXAN.com as we develop and get more details out of that meeting that's happening right now. Now, do remember, according to a recent study for the district, 80% of families who responded said they plan to send their kids to school with masks anyways. 20% said they did not.
Avery, thanks. Under the governor's executive order banning mask mandates, any government entity found in violation can be fined up to $1,000. We've asked his office to clarify if that's a one-time fine or if more repercussions could be expected. We'll let you know when we hear back. There's been a lot of momentum on requiring masks in schools all around the country. On July 19th, the American Academy of Pediatrics recommended that everyone older than the age of 2 wear masks regardless of vaccination status. Just over a week later, the CDC changed its guidance, citing the Delta variant. It recommended universal indoor masking by all students and staff at school. And just 2 days later, 12 of the 20 largest school districts in the U.S. had put mask mandates into place. And as we mentioned earlier, Dallas ISD will become the first school district in Texas to make masks mandatory. That starts tomorrow. Houston ISD will vote on a similar mask mandate on Thursday. And again, Austin has just voted it in as well. Other school districts are taking a more cautious approach. Today, Pflugerville's ISD superintendent sent out a letter strongly encouraging teachers and students to wear masks. The superintendent also called on the governor to give school districts local control regarding mask mandates.